So this has been a really awesome tool to add to my Colt starting, because you see how I'm behind her eye and in her space, and I'm able to shut her down in those moments. That really shows her how to be in close quarters with me, which is kind of important, seeing as how I'm going to be on her back. There we go. Good girl. Pull around this way. And I'm doing it in slow motion like that so she can see, oh, this means turn. Oh, this means give. Oh, this means move my butt. I want it to be real obvious. There we go. That was really nice. So she got a little claustrophobic with me being on one side, and I was able to hold the reins. But look at every time that I do this, how I'm able to go over her eyes. This is really important that I can put my hands up here, because again, I'm going to be sitting here on her back, and a lot of people aren't prepping this stuff. A lot of people aren't prepping up and over their face, and if you don't, you just do everything down here. Well, then when you change levels and you're up on their back, they might have an issue with that. They might not agree with you being up there. So here, you see how she's kind of waiting for me? She doesn't know if I'm going to pull her face this way, or if I'm going to hold on to this lead rope here and pull her around like so. I love how she is waiting for me.